Morning everyone. So this activity is a bit of an introduction to a simulation we're going to be using. It's called Phet DC Circuit Builder. So it's really good. It's a really good way to build circuits when you don't have the physical wires and everything to build it. And you'll be using it at quite a few different activities. So I thought we'll do an introduction activity today, and then you can play around with it so you're familiar with it. So when you do an activity, you'll know what you're doing. So the first thing to do is search for Phet Circuit Builder. And it's this one here, Circuit Construction Kit DC. So we'll go into that one. And it should work on Macs and PCs. Here it is, so we'll open it. And we want to click the lab option here, not the intro. Okay, so here is our circuit builder. So there's lots of different components that we can add into a circuit if we want to build one. So you can drag them across. So we've got a battery here, and then we can add a wire, and you can click and drag everything. We've also got on the side here, you can choose how much resistance your wires have. So we'll leave it at tiny for now. And you can also change the resistance of your battery as well. So we won't use those really this year. The other option you can choose down here is, instead of having pictures of your circuit, you can go across to a circuit diagram. And when you get up to level 9, we're actually starting to draw circuit diagrams. And these are what engineers and electricians use when they design circuits. So it's using the proper symbols. For now though, just use the pictures. So you can see we can add in, let's just add in a light bulb. I'll add some wires here. We'll make a really simple circuit. It's got a battery and a light bulb. And as soon as our circuit is complete, as soon as it's closed, we should have a current. And it's disconnected here. There we go. So it's really easy to build a circuit, and you can see the electrons are flowing from negative to positive in the current, and the globe has lit up. So that's probably the easiest circuit you could build. In today's task, you're going to spend some time, about 10 to 15 minutes, playing around building different circuits. You can use any components that are here. There's a whole lot of everyday objects too. And you'll need to build the most interesting circuit you can, and then take a screenshot of it and post it onto Teams. So you can see there's a few other things. There's a high-powered battery too, where you can, let's take out that battery, put in the high-powered battery. And it's got 10,000 volts, so that's too powerful for this globe. Okay, so play around with it, build your own circuit, and see what you come up with.